Project title: Economy in my neighborhood. Project members:
श्वेता डिंगणकर 2467,
Onkar Avdul Patil 2387.
My name is Rajvardhan Bhapkar and my roll number is 2473. Economy in my neighborhood. You can see the economy in action by looking around your neighborhood. Point 1. Type of work people are doing. Point 2. Goods or services people consume. Point 3. Investment and lack of investment to improve or expand the local economy. Point 5. Financial institution available for people to take out money. Point 6. Condition of the local environment. This is the economics of everyday life. Outcome economy. Outcome economy describe an economy based on the marketing, pricing and selling of the results provided by goods and services rather than their face value. Point 2. Outcome economy is an economy contingent on the marketing, pricing and selling of goods and services based on the result or outcome they produce for customers rather than an item or service face value.
Effect of neighborhood economy. The neighborhood effect is an economic and social science concept that posits that neighborhoods have either a direct or indirect effect on individual behaviors. Many scholars and activists consider Wilson's book The Truly Disadvantaged the Bible of scholarship of the neighborhood effect.
studying any in real life context. 1. Social isolation hypothesis. Poor economic performance can be explained by the fact that residents rely on disadvantaged neighbor to find work. Negative socialization hypothesis. High level of unemployment in disadvantaged neighborhood are related to deviant work ethics of residents.
Neighborhood economy in a real life context. 2. Combination of methods: survey on social networks, comparative, interviews with the key persons, partly retrospective, in-depth interviews with low-income residents, many informal conversations, observations, attendance of neighborhood events and meetings, secondary information through social media, policy documents, etc.
Conclusion. First, Indian economy is robust in nature. Second, banking